How much bird diversity can you find in Costa Rica? Imagine walking through lush forests, hearing a symphony of bird calls all around you. Costa Rica is a paradise for bird lovers, with a stunning variety of bird species packed into a small country. In fact, this tiny nation is home to between 900 and 948 different bird species. That's more than the combined total of bird species in the United States and Canada. Most of these birds are residents, meaning they stay here all year, but many also migrate seasonally. This mix creates a lively, constantly changing bird scene. Costa Rica's location as a bridge between North and South America helps bring together species from both continents. Its warm, tropical climate stays steady year-round, making it perfect for birds to breed and feed. The country's diverse habitats are another big reason for its high bird count. From rainforests and cloud forests to mangroves and coastal beaches, each environment hosts its own set of species. For example, you can see hummingbirds darting through the trees, toucans with their colorful beaks, and bright tanagers flitting among the leaves. Costa Rica also has some birds that are found nowhere else on Earth. These are called endemic species. Examples include the coppery-headed emerald, the mangrove hummingbird, and the black-cheeked ant tanager. There are also species restricted to Cocos Island, like the Cocos cuckoo and Cocos finch. Birdwatchers often see over 350 species in just one day by visiting different habitats. Popular spots like Corcovado National Park are known for their incredible bird diversity. Guided tours can help you spot and identify many species, making your trip even more rewarding. Costa Rica's forests, wetlands, and coastlines create a lively mosaic of homes for both resident and migratory birds. This makes the country a vital stopover and breeding ground for many species. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced birder, Costa Rica offers a wide range of birding adventures. It's a place where you can witness the beauty and variety of bird life in a compact, accessible setting.